Venezuela holds over 2,200 tons of reported gold reserves and a potential resource of nearly 9,000 tons, enough for a 70-year of useful life at the current rate of production. And yet, official production in 2025 reached just 9.5 tons. So what is going on? Venezuela's gold industry is managed by state-owned CVM and Minervan through alliances with international firms. The deposits are concentrated in the Guayana Shield, geologically rich zones known for decades. But the sector operates under the Arrimo system, a mandatory mechanism requiring all gold sales to go exclusively through the state. The problem? Between 70 and 85% of production is informal. Over 70% bypasses legal channels through smuggling. And the environmental cost is severe. Artisanal mining relies heavily on mercury, contaminating entire river systems across the region. The Imataca Iron Belt holds 14,700 megatons of reserves, with 65% iron content. Nominal capacity is 25 million tons per year, but infrastructure failures have cut operations to 10 to 20%. However, the story is improving. India's Jindal Steel has revitalized Venezuela's largest iron ore complex. China purchased 4.3 million tons in 2025. The recovery plan targets 15 to 20 million tons per year by 2030 through direct reduced iron technology and port upgrades. Venezuela's aluminum sector has enormous vertical integration potential. The Los Pichuaos mine holds 320 megatons of proven bauxite with processing capacity over 6 million tons per year, but actual output is below 1 million. The Venelum and Alcasa smelters run at less than 15% capacity due to power grid instability from the Guri Dam. The 2026 strategy calls for $2.3 billion to rehabilitate the entire bauxite-aluminum circuit, leveraging low-cost hydroelectric power to position Venezuela as a strategic low-carbon supplier for EV and aerospace markets. Coltan, a solid solution of niobium and tantalum, is one of the most strategically important materials on the planet. Venezuela's deposits in the black sands of the Orinoco mining arch are estimated at over $100 billion. But formal certification is limited, and the industry remains dominated by informal mining. The government has established strategic development zones and is seeking partners to build processing plants that separate niobium from tantalum locally, moving up the value chain from raw concentrates to high-value refined products. The Loma de Níquel deposit holds over 400,000 tons of nickel reserves. Historically operated by Anglo-American before nationalization, it has been dormant for years. The 2026 outlook has shifted. The government is positioning nickel as a critical mineral, seeking $1.2 billion to revitalize operations. Under the U.S. participation framework from Video 1, Venezuela could become a key regional supplier of Class 1 battery-grade nickel for the global electric vehicles market. Modern processing facilities meeting international standards are essential to make that happen. Venezuela's mineral portfolio is genuinely world-class. Gold reserves for 70 years, a massive iron ore belt being revitalized by international partnerships, an aluminum value chain with low carbon potential, and critical minerals, coltan and nickel, that are exactly what the global energy transition needs. The challenge is not geology, it is infrastructure, formalization, and investment. And that is exactly what we address in Video 3, Operational Risks and Logistics. Stay with us.